In this video, we're going to be comparing three self-hosted platform as a service solutions: Coolify, Dokku, and Dokploy. So the first one is going to be Coolify over here, and when it comes to Coolify, you can find it on coolify.io. It's actually an open source self-hostable alternative to platforms like Heroku, Netlify, and Vercel. Now, its standout features mostly include versatile deployment, which basically supports applications in any programming language or framework. It is deployable to various servers including VPS, bare metal, and Raspberry Pi, which is of course amazing. Now, also, it has seamless integration with Git platforms like GitHub and GitLab for push-to-deploy functionality. And it automatically sets up and renews Let's Encrypt SSL certificates for secure deployments. Now, we then have Dokku over here, or Dokku. It's available at dokku.com. And when it comes to Dokku, it's basically a minimalist PaaS built on Docker. It's allowing you to deploy applications similarly to Heroku. Its key features are you can deploy applications using a Git push, utilizing Heroku buildbacks for building and running in isolated containers. Then you can customize and extend different functionality through a flexible plugin architecture. And then basically you can install Dokku on any hardware, giving you complete control over your PaaS environment. So that's when it comes to this one. And then the third one, we've got Dokploy. Dokploy is available at dokploy.com, and basically it is a control panel designed for managing Docker-based centralized applications, and its main features include you can deploy applications from various sources, including GitHub, Docker files, and Nix packs, facilitating CI or CD pipelines, and you can manage multiple containers and server instances from a single intuitive interface, and you can also automatically set up the traffic proxy server for efficient routing and load balancing. So that's when it comes to Dokploy. Now, if we compare those three side by side over here, I'm going to show you. Now, the first feature is going to be deployment sources. And with Coolify, it's Git platforms, Docker, and server. With Dokku, it's Git push with Heroku buildbacks. And when it comes to Dokploy, you can have GitHub, Docker files, and Nix packs. The user interface in Coolify is quite modern, but it has a minimalist dashboard. So if that's what you're up to, you can use this one. And Dokku has a command line interface, while Dokploy has a very intuitive graphical UI. Now, when it comes to SSL management, it's basically with Coolify, there's an automatic Let's Encrypt integration, while Dokku requires manual setup, and Dokploy provides SSL certificates. When it comes to extensibility, Coolify has API and webhook support, Dokku has plugin-based infrastructure or architecture, and then Dokploy supports custom Docker templates. When it comes to scalability, last but not least, Coolify supports single multi-server and Docker Swarm, Dokku supports single host, so it's single host focused, and Dokploy basically has native multi-server deployment with Traefik. So that's pretty much it. Of course, all of these are great. It's just up to you which features you prefer the most, so you can choose that one of the three. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.